Are you ready to take your balloon decorating skills to the next level? If you answered yes, you are in the right place. Hey, y'all. Hey, it is your balloon bestie, Karen Sawyer, certified balloon artist, event designer, and boutique style venue owner. I am so excited to be able to offer you memberships. Yes, I had just recently been invited to join this opportunity. I've worked so hard to be able to get to this next level. So, Balloon Besties, welcome back. And if this is your first time, I am here to give you a huge welcome. So, I want to talk to you a little bit about the memberships that we have to offer. Again, this is the place to be if you are a beginning balloon professional or a DIY enthusiast that is looking to master the art of balloon decorating. So I'm going to highlight three levels. Okay, we have three levels to offer. So you'll see here that we have the studio supporter, which is $2.99 per month. You have the Balloon Apprentice tier, which is $9.99 a month. And then finally, we have the Balloon Bestie, which is $24.99 per month. So I'm going to go ahead and explain to you a little bit about each one of those. So Studio Supporter, again, is $2.99 a month. You will get early access to new videos, behind the scenes content, live streams, exclusive badges and emojis. Plus, you'll get a 5 to 10% discount by using a special discount code in my merchandise store. Okay. So you'll also, for an example, to give you an example as to what the studio supporter will give you, you'll get to see some setup of my balloon decor when I'm actually on site at events. Okay. And then I will answer questions on site if I have an opportunity. And then I'll give you some exclusive insights of some things that I don't share anywhere else. Okay. So again, that's the studio supporter. Then you have the Balloon Apprentice, which is $9.99 a month. This is for those that are ready to dive deeper. Okay, so this tier offers exclusive tutorials, downloadable design blueprints, and you'll get a 10 to 15% discount code to use in the merchandise store. So this is the perfect level for those looking to hone their skills. So for an example, having a blueprint to download is such a big benefit because if you're using it when you're out on an install, it's great because you don't have to pull up your phone, try to find the video, try to go through the video to find out what it is you're looking for specifically. But if you have that blueprint, it gives you a checklist. It lets you know all the materials you need, the colors, the sizes. It is definitely a big benefit. Okay. And then finally, we have the Balloon Bestie. This is for my most dedicated supporters. You'll get access to advanced techniques, exclusive master classes, group Q&A sessions, plus you'll get a 20% discount in the merch store, okay? You'll be invited to private master classes where I'll go over advanced techniques like creating easy, sellable, show-stopping designs, how to create framework, and more. So thank you so much for watching and for being curious enough to hit that join button. And in this membership, you're going to find a network of like-minded balloon artists and DIYers like yourself who are here to cheer you on, answer questions, and to help you grow. So, Bestie, if you are ready, like I think you are because you hit that button to dive in and join the fun, hit and join that button, and let's get this party popping. All right. So, as always, just remember to keep creating, and you are the designer. Okay. Happy decorating, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.